10 powerful affirmations to start each day and give yourself a mental boost. Repeat these affirmations daily. I love myself. I start my day full of joy and energy. I boldly take on new tasks and activities. I am cheerful and a joy to be around. I appreciate and cherish my mind and body. I am filled with healthy cells that provide my body with strength each day. I am grateful for all that I possess. I have peace of mind and I'm comfortable in my skin. I choose joy over sadness. I welcome the day and I'm excited for what it may bring. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel, so you will never miss our videos in the future. Also, remember to check out the description below for more cool resources.